Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change password on Crunchyroll. First thing you will have to do is to click on your profile picture and this will open up this menu where you have to click on settings. Then scroll down and under section account you should be able to see password. Click on it. Here you can reset your password, click on reset and type your email address real quick and then press send. This will send you a link onto your email address, so open it up and refresh it. And once you get the link, you can reset your password. Just open the email and right here you can click here to reset your password. So type here your new password and here retype your new password. It is really simple. Now all you have to do is to click on reset password. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.